Hello friends, today we will discuss identification of vegetable crops. Myself, Professor Wayar Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. First of all, tomato. It is commonly known as wolf peach, poor man orange, protective foods. Botanically, it is known as Lycopersicum esculentum and Solanum lycopersicum. Family Solanaceae. Origin Tropical America. Propagation seed. Chromosome number of tomato is equal to 24, and type of fruit, it is a berry type of fruit. You can see the seeds, fruits and flowers of tomato in picture. Next one is the brinjal. Commonly it is known as poor man cups, eggplant. Botanical name Solanum melangena, family Solanaceae, origin India. Propagation methods propagated by seeds. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 24, and type of fruits, it is a berry type of fruit. You can see the picture of brinjal fruits and seeds also. Next crop is a identification of chili. Botanical name of chili is Capsicum annum, family Solanaceae, origin tropical America. Chromosome number of chili is 2n is equal to 24. Pollination type, it is an open cross pollinated crop. Type of fruits, it is a berry type of fruits. Flower color white, red color pigment is due to capsaicin, and pungency in chili is due to capsaicin. Green chili is a rich source of vitamin P. You can see the seeds of chili and fruits. Next one is a potato. Botanical name Solanum tubersum, family Solanaceae, origin Europe, and chromosome number of potato is 2n is equal to 48. You can see the seeds of potato as well as tuber of potato. This is a true potato seeds. Next one is the identification of okra. Commonly it is known as okra ladyfinger. Botanically it is known as Abelomachus esculentus, family Malvaceae. Origin South Africa, genus Abelomachus, species esculentus. Chromosome number of okra is 2 is equal to 130, and pollination is open cross pollinated crop. You can see the fruit and seeds of the okra. Next one is the identification of onion. Botanical name of onion is Allium cepa, family Alliaceae or Amarlidaceae, origin Central Asia, genus Allium, species cepa. Chromosome number of onion is 2n is equal to 16. Pollination type, it is a highly cross pollinated crop. Plant part is bulb and leaves. Next one is a garlic. Botanical name of garlic is Allium sativum, family Amarlidaceae or Alliaceae, origin Central Asia. Garlic is one of the important bulb crop. It is used as a spice or condiments through India. The compound bulb of garlic consists of several small bulbils or cloves. You can see the picture of garlic. Next one is the identification of cucumber. Botanical name of cucumber is Cucumis sativus, family Cucurbitaceae, origin India, genus Cucumis and species sativus. Chromosome number of cucumber is 2n is equal to 14, and pollination type is a highly cross pollinated crop. You can see the seeds of cucumber and fruits also. Identification of watermelon. Watermelon Citrullus lanatus, family Cucurbitaceae, origin India, genus Citrullus, species Lanatus. Chromosome number of watermelon is 2 is equal to 22. Pollination type, it is a cross pollinated crop. Watermelon is one of the important summer crop. It is generally grown for its ripe as well as mature fruits. The fruits are delicious and sweet when ripe. You can see the fruits of watermelon and seeds of watermelon. Next one is the muskmelon. Botanically, it is known as Cucumis melo, family Cucurbitaceae, origin Iran, genus Cucumis and species Melo. Chromosome number of muskmelon is 2n is equal to 24, and pollination type, it is a highly cross-pollinated crop. Muskmelon is an important crop cultivated through India. It is used as a dessert fruits and also eaten alone. Dharia cultivation is followed in cucurbits, especially on muskmelon and watermelon. You can see the seeds of muskmelon and fruits of muskmelon. Identification of bottle gourd. It is commonly known as bottle gourd, white flower gourd. Botanical name Largenaria cercearia, family Cucurbitaceae, origin South Africa or India, genus Largenaria, species Cercearia. Chromosome number of bottle gourd is 2n is equal to 24. It is a highly cross-pollinated crop. Bottle gourd is a member contain a toxic tetracyclic tetrahorn compound. It is called as cucurbitacin, which is responsible for better taste. There is no known antidotes for this toxicity, and clinicians treat with cases of symptomatically only. Next one is the rich gourd. Botanically, it is known as Lupha acutangula, family Cucurbitaceae, origin India, genus Lupha and species acutangula, family chromosome number 2n is equal to 26. It is a highly cross-pollinated crop. You can see the picture of seeds and fruit as well as flowers. Next crop is a sponge gourd. Botanically, it is known as Lupha cylindrica, family Cucurbitaceae, origin India, genus Lupha and species cylindrica. Chromosome number of sponge gourd is 2n is equal to 26. Pollination type, it is a highly cross-pollinated crop. You can see the fruits, flower as well as seeds in of sponge gourd. Next one is a bitter gourd. Botanically, it is known as Momordica charencea, family Cucurbitaceae, origin India, genus Momordica, species charencea. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 22. Pollination type, highly cross-pollinated crop. You can see the picture of seeds and fruits. Thank you.